this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I've got the HISEA work boots, steel-toed work boots on. I almost didn't do this video now because I was just knocking ice off the tarp by the woodpile and soaked myself. But then I realized, actually, it's a perfect example because these boots are pretty good water resistant. I've had these out cutting firewood and out through the forest everywhere. I've been wearing them hunting. It is hunting season, therefore all the hunting hunter's orange. I've been through slop and I've been through slush and snow and pretty much everything with these boots recently, including spilling water on them. And they're comfortable. I've been out to down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit and up to maybe 45 or 50 degrees Fahrenheit with these boots so far, and they're very comfortable. I'm very surprised because the insole feels rigid and firm, but it is very good support and does not get uncomfortable with time. They're a very good support on the ankles as well. When you're out in the forest, when I'm out processing firewood and kicking around, it can be very treacherous out there with all the branches and all the junk in the ground. And I've not had any problems with twisting ankles or misstepping because they're very firm, very good support, especially with the high lace-up and the metal reinforced clips on here. They are very, very good for rugged conditions. Now, granted, my wife and I are having a discussion because she thinks they're too nice to be wearing. Can't really show you up in the air like that, eh? She doesn't want me to wear them in the woods and mess them up because she thinks they're really nice looking. So we'll have to work that one out because they're steel-toed, really good work boots with a lifetime guarantee, and I'm enjoying them, and they're serving their purpose well. Although, as I mentioned, you can take these and wear them to town just as well. My wife thinks I should keep them clean and neat and wear them around town because they're dressy looking, she says. So it satisfies everybody. That's pretty good. These things have a lifetime guarantee, which I mentioned in the unboxing video, which is quite amazing for a work boot and for any type of a shoe these days, because my last shoes at a top name store lasted 3 months before they separated on the sole. And my last pair of sandals, no joke, literally lasted 3 days before they started separating. So to have a lifetime guarantee like that in this day and age is quite impressive and amazing. Now, let me take you in and show you some more details on these boots and also the slip-on work boots that I have been using and reviewing as well. So I've got the two HISEA pairs of boots here side by side. I've got a little video clip from the other day of these. I was out running around using these out in the woods the other day, and it was really slushy. These actually have a rubber coated, they got steel toe but rubber coated front, and they absolutely did hold up to being out in freezing rain, slush, and wet snowing conditions, walking through an inch of slop on the ground. So, well, you see that video clip. I'll show that right now. I hope it shows up. We were just in some mud and snow and slop, actually all afternoon. This is the day before the hunt, and my slip-on boots are very warm and cozy in all conditions. We've been in and out all day, and I've been using the slip-ons. And you can see we were up in it a little ways in there. Very, very comfortable. Now I love these boots. They also don't look bad either for wearing around. They're really nice looking. They do have a heel guard to keep it from ripping up the back side of your boot, which I like, especially for driving conditions. Driving a vehicle, often I've worn out this area on my favorite boots in the past. That's a pretty cool feature right there. This pair has a wear piece here for protection added on, as you can see. I love this for around the yard and around the property because it's quick slip on. It is, especially with my broken rib, it's so easy. If I got to run out real quick, the mailman's here or something, or I got to run out and do something outside. I mean, we take our shoes off indoors, we leave them on this mat, and then we wear house shoes throughout the house. So it's great to have something to slip into quickly. And these are, you put your foot in, slide down, and it's done. You're out the door. I love that fact. And you still got the protection of the steel toe. So these are really, really awesome boots for kicking around the homestead. Love that. These have, as I mentioned before, good ankle support for working in rugged conditions. The extra reinforced lace, what do you call it? The eyelets up here are extremely thick. I don't think they're going to bend out like they have on other work boots that I've worn in the past. And being able to lace up higher gives you that ankle support that you need out in the field. These are, both of them are actually comfortable. I like the fact that it's real leather. I do like natural materials. And of course they both have the lifetime guarantee, which is really, really crazy. This one did come with a spare pair of shoelaces, which is also above and beyond the normal. I like that fact. So I do have a coupon code I'll share with you guys. You can go ahead and check out their company. They've got a lot of other products as well. So a lot of outdoors, I've seen waders, for example. So check out their site. Use the discount code for your next shopping. And I'll probably come back to these later. But I wanted to give you an overview now, after a couple weeks of use, of what I think here in the homestead. Really, really good quality, comfortable, warm work boots. So check out the links below and get yourself some. Use the discount code. Please like this video, leave a comment below, subscribe if you haven't. Never know what's coming tomorrow at the Off Grid Project. Talk to you later.